Benjamin Disrreali once said, "Nothing can resist the human will. That will stake even its existence on a stated purpose for good." That when you have a made-up mind, regardless of what comes down the pipe, that you're always looking for a way, always looking for a way, never throwing in the towel in so quickly. Sooner or later, you will hear the towel blow. We are all transforming and reinventing ourselves, and things we do today will be what our lives and future will be remembered for. A realized dream or shattered hope, or an unending circle of failure. In 10 years, we will arrive, but the question is, where? What does the next decade hold? What does next year hold? A man is always on a journey of self-discovery. Our time and effort are tools readily available to us, but how we invest our time and effort will create a pattern that we will define our future with, that we will define our 10 years with. A thankful appreciation for what we as individual receives is not by the quantity of quality, but by the gift of attitude. We are all self-made. Indeed we are. But only the successful ones admit it. The more we receive success, the humbler we'll become. Because we have come to understand the power and philosophy behind riches and gratitude. Audit facere is a Latin word that translates: to dare is to do, and to be grateful is to lend in a helping hand. Not because the receiver is entitled or are we obligated, but because we are grateful for what we have become. Don't you think so? I think so. A renowned professor once said, "Man is his own arbiter, his own divine help. Anyone who doesn't know this can never make anything good for himself." If we model our lives like this, we will automatically turn a corner and hold all the cards to our own happy ending, if that matters at all. We all go through hard times in life. It's a part of being alive, and the reality is we have to deal with it. You can't get out of life alive. You better have a good time while you can. There are times we forget our values as a person because we are so blinded with thoughts of holiness, thoughts of emptiness, ego. But sounds like this pushes us to break that barrier and use it as a shield for our own protection. Because with life comes challenges, and always leaving us a choice to make, the good or the bad. It's up to you to decide what kind of person you want to become, or you have become. Remember, complaining over spilled milk is a waste of time. If we take the bitter lemon life throws at us, we will make lemonade out of it. Remember, we will. Indeed, we will.